media. And since they've been giving us their questions in the chat box, I will be asking some select questions in the interest of time. The first question, of course, is for Mohanlal sir. Hi, sir. Welcome back again. So this question comes to you from Supriya from the BBC. She wants to ask you, what are the challenges when you make a second part of an already hit film like Drishyam? And as it's an Amazon Prime Video release, it will premiere worldwide for audiences across the globe. So are you excited about that?
The most important challenge is the script. The story, the script.
Yes.
How you are conceiving it, how you are portraying it, how you are showing it to the audience. Because the movie takes the viewers in the interviewing world of George Woody and his family.
Yes.
And how their lives altered post their own fateful night. So it's a big challenge. The story should be gripping and the movie should keep the fans or the audience at the edge of their seats.
Yeah.
And like Jitu said, sequel, it's a big challenge for basically. The big challenge is for Jitu. For me, still I don't know who is George. What is in his mind?
Wow.
How he is behaving to protect his family. So my challenge is to portray the character. The main challenge of the Drishyam 2 is the story. And we were very focused to bring this film because we want to bring the audience back to the theater or back to the entertainment industry. And people should watch it. They should say, oh my God, this is the film we are waiting for. And I think we are doing it right now. It's a proper thing. And it is, the sequel is not it is not only a film, it's just not only a crime act. It revolves around how the family is doing right now. The focus is more on emotions and relationships this time. So we are waiting to get the reaction from the audience. And then only we can say how far we succeeded in this.
How wonderful. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And this is really, more pressure on Jitu, sir, as he said, because that's the original pressure point, right? So I'm going to take this next question for Jitu, sir. So this question comes from Manoj from the Indian Express. He wants to know, did you know from the beginning, and you answered this a little earlier, but it'll be great if you can answer this again. Did you know right up start that you were going to make a sequel to Drishyam when you made the first film? Or how did the inspiration for the second part strike you out of the blue?
Like I said earlier, in the beginning, after the Drishyam 1, actually I thought Drishyam, there is no chance for a sequel. Everyone was asking me, and Anthony Perumbavoor was putting pressure on me, just think about it. But seriously, I thought there is no chance for this thing because the film has ended here. But after, in 2015 onwards, I started thinking about a sequel. So my first line of thing was, okay, the biggest challenge in making a sequel for this film is, actually, I should maintain the character continuity. That's the biggest challenge. And it's been 6 years. So there will be changes in their character, slight changes in the characters, depending upon the maturity level and the conditions, because of the family conditions are changed. George Woody's family is leading a life totally different from the previous that crime, right? Now they are under a lot of pressure, so many investigation movements from the police side. So it will automatically, it will happen. And then I thought, what will be the reaction of the society from that aspect? Because he's been accused of some crime, and later people are realizing that there is something. There is no smoke without fire, right?
Correct.
So people started gossiping, and of course, George Woody is, his life standard has increased. He became a theater operator.
Yes.
automatically the jealousy of the neighborhood.
Correct.
They started making stories with each member. So how these things will affect. So then I thought, okay, the family trauma should be the core element of the Drishyam 2. And unfortunately, I can talk much about this thing, which then I will be revealing few important, So this is the main thing, the
Correct.
trauma, the family trauma. I was concentrating on the family trauma. What will be a family, condition after this kind of crime happened in their this thing, right? They are not professionals. They don't know how to handle this pressure. So each character has different problems. Rani has a totally lost. She is totally isolated feeling, and Esther, she is totally in a don't care attitude because she is the least affected.
Yes.
Member in this thing. And George Uti is very confident, and he's became careless, which affected Meena. Everything is connected. And of course, Ansiba, she is the main culprit here. No? So she has some psychological issues. So I put these things and I worked on the script, and it came out well. I can say much more than that.
Well, for someone who cannot give away too much, so you actually given us quite a bit. So thank you so much for once again taking that question. And once again, I wish you luck with this reception of this film. I cannot wait for it. All right, our next question, of course, is going to go to Meena. Meena ma'am, thank you so much for joining me again. This is a good question. This one is Debrati from Batman. She wants to know what excited you about playing Rani George again. And I think we already know the answer, but just to answer her once again, will Drishyam 2 be an extension of Drishyam?
Yes, of course. It's an extension of Drishyam, the extension of the family which went through so much, and what are they going through right now after 6-7 years. How the family is coping up, how are they relating to each other, and to that incident, what happened in Drishyam, did that affect them? It's like, every character's got their own problems, and how are they coping up? Especially my character, she is so worried because she doesn't know what really happened, what George Kuti did. So that stays a secret. He says it stays a secret until until the end of my life. So she doesn't know what happened exactly. She couldn't share. She couldn't think of anything else other than this. So the trauma, what she goes through, and does that really affect the family, or what she does, what she doesn't? A lot of things. So it was a beautiful emotional journey, and I loved that about Rani, and she being a little bit of her innocence, to do the right thing, to be very scared and to do the right thing about everything, and worrying about everybody in the family. Her whole world is a family, but the trauma what she goes through, it's all like, very beautifully shown. And I'm really excited for the people, for the whole world to watch Drishyam 2 now.
Well, that's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, Meena ma'am, for joining us again and for answering that question. Up next, I have a question for Ansiba, and this one is from Avinash from Little Talks. Ansiba, the question is, have you watched other remakes of Drishyam, and whose performance? Oh, this is a nice, tough one.
Oh my God.
Okay, Mohanlal sir, Kamal Hassan sir, Venkatesh sir, Ravichandran sir, Ajay Devgan sir. How can you pick all the best? Tough one, yeah.
Oh my God. Actually, all the remakes came out very well. And I have seen Hindi version, Tamil version, and Telugu version. To be honest, I love my daddy.
Oh, that is so sweet. I think you made a good choice. I think this is a great way, of course, to bring in your sister at this point. Thank you so much, Ansiba, for answering that question. And let's take it to Esther. Esther, hi.
Hi.
Esther, this question comes to you from Abita, from Behind the Woods. The question is, you were a little girl in the first part of Drishyam. Over the last 7 years, of course, you've established yourself as a young heroine in the film industry. So what change, did you kind of notice in your character as you were playing this part in the sequel? Tell us.
So, like you said, it was there, like the transition from a child actor to, playing important characters and now heroine. And coming back to Drishyam, like Jeetu uncle said, my character is mostly with the don't care attitude. And most of the time, what she does is that either she fights with her mother, like, I want to wear this, I want to do this, I want to do that. And my sister was all like, please don't fight and, don't talk to your mother like that. And Lal uncle, George Gutti, is all like, what am I going to do with these two? So that was, it's something that you get to see in most of the families. Like, once you reach that point, you're a teenager and you have a very carefree life and you don't like anybody controlling. So I think Jeetu uncle narrated it very well. So I think it's a different character altogether when you compare it with Drishyam 1. Because back then she was a kid and she was innocent. So yeah, it was fun. But, there are certain things here and there's, oh my God, I'm not going to say anything. I'm the one who's going to spill things, but no, I'm going to keep my mouth shut. So yeah, that's it. That was about my character.
Well, Esther, thank you so much. And I wish you luck with this sequel and with the rest of, the career as well. Really, thank you for being with us today. And up next, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call on Vijay Subramaniam again. Vijay, this is a question for you from Rucha from Forbes. She wants to know, what was your initial reaction when the idea of bringing Drishyam to Amazon Prime Video was proposed?
My first reaction was, it was one of shock and awe, frankly.
Okay.
Because Jacob and Anthony Chetan, we know each other pretty well. And I thought they were joking, quite honestly. That was my first instinct. And then when we sat down to analyze the situation and the opportunity and everything else, we realized just what an amazing way to kick off 2021 this would be. In many ways, this film is not just a part of the Malayalam storytelling canon. I mean, the given that it's been made in so many languages, the movie is, has captured the hearts of so many people. I know so many folks who went and saw the original Malayalam version because they had seen the Hindi one. And so when of course, when this was announced itself, there was a lot of palpable excitement around the title, and you could see the chatter around it. And so when Laletan and Jeetu agreed to actually give us the opportunity to premiere it worldwide, I mean, we were elated. Again, it's a great piece of content. It has world-class talent and creators behind it, coming from a world-class production company. And it's one of those stories that people have kind of always spoken about when they talk about great quality entertainment, right? One way or another, Drishyam features, in these conversations. So I was elated. The team was. And I must admit, while we have a lot of, rigor that we put into the way we evaluate and decide on how to, pick our titles, this was one title where everybody knew about what it's all about or had an expectation of what it could be and so on and so forth. So this is one of those a few films that didn't really require a detailed synopsis to get the team excited.
I can totally imagine. Yes, because we're fans first, and then of course we're doing everything else. The movies unite us, and that's why we're all here today. And thank you so much to everybody. This brings us to the end of our press meet. It's been an absolute pleasure and one of my most memorable moments as a fan, sharing screen space with all these wonderful people today. Well, as Vijay, of course, takes leave at this point, I really thought we could end, but I'm sorry, guys. I can't let you go. The wonderful media is just not letting us go without a couple more questions to Mohanlal, sir. So, sir, I'm going to have you with me once again. This is a question that comes, of course, from Indian Express. Quite an interesting question. In a career spanning over 3 decades, you've given us so many memorable characters and cinematic moments, and still you continue to surprise us every time. How is it that you do this? You connect with so many characters and so many varied emotions. Today, you'll have to tell us the secret, please. So can I request you to just unmute yourself? Thank you. Sorry, sir. Just could I please request you to unmute yourself? Thank you, sir.
Hello? Yeah.
Yes, please go ahead.
They want to know how I am doing such things.
Yes.
I call it as a blessing. I think some unknown energy is helping me. There's no proper answer for this. Maybe I trust my directors, my scriptwriters, my colleagues, and my fans, of course, and people who love movies. It could be the reason. Otherwise, how can I say? It's a blessing to be in this magic for the last 43 years, and still I'm continuing. I think my movies, that is the secret of my success. The kind of movies I'm doing, the kind of directors who are using me as an actor, those are the things. Otherwise, I'm not able to say how. It's a $1 million question. and I am not able to answer, to be very, very honest. I'm also honest with this answer.
Well, thank you, sir, for that. But, I have a feeling that for our friends, who do speak Malayalam, it would be really incomplete to do this press conference today without hearing that beautiful language. I'm a Tamilian, okay, but my mom's from Palakkad. So I grew up, listening to, watching the movies. I would love it if you can actually tell the fans, to look forward to this sequel coming up. But please do it in Malayalam for us.
ദൃശ്യം എന്ന സിനിമ ശരിക്കും മലയാള ഭാഷയുടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മലയാള സിനിമയുടെ ഭാഷ ഒരു റെവലേഷൻ, ഒരു വെളിപാടായി ചേഞ്ച്. നമ്മുടെ ഒരു കോൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഒരു ക്രൈം ത്രില്ലർ സ്വഭാവത്തിനെ മാറ്റിയൊരു സിനിമയാണ്. അത് ഭയങ്കര സക്സസ്ഫുൾ സിനിമയായി. അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഉള്ളത് ഒരു ലവാണ്, ഇമോഷൻസ് ആണ്, ഫാമിലി ബോണ്ടിങ് ആണ്. അപ്പൊ അതിൽ ഒരാള് അയാളുടെ ഫാമിലിയെ സേവ് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും എന്താ പറയണ്ടത്, അത് അയാളുടെ റൈറ്റാണ്, അയാളുടെ ഫാമിലിയെ പ്രൊട്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യാന്നുള്ളത്. ആൻഡ് ജോർജ് കുട്ടി ഹാസ് ഡൺ ഇറ്റ്. അതിനെ ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് നിർവഹിച്ചു. പക്ഷേ ജോർജ് കുട്ടി അത് നിർവഹിച്ചാലും ഇപ്പൊ ഇവര് ക്രൈം ചെയ്ത ആൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴും മനസ്സിൽ അതിന്റെ ഭീതി ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പൊ ജോർജ് കുട്ടിക്കും ആ ഫാമിലിക്കും ആ ഭീതിയുണ്ട്, ആ പേടിയുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ദൃശ്യം 2 ഉണ്ടായത്. പക്ഷെ അത് ഈ ദൃശ്യം 2-ലും ജോർജ് കുട്ടി അത് എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നോ, അതിനെ പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചിരുന്നോ, അല്ലെ ആ ഫാമിലിക്ക് എന്താണ് സംഭവിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയാൻ ഉള്ള ആകാംക്ഷ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ട്. ലോകത്ത് ഈ സിനിമ കണ്ട എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതിനെ ഏറ്റവും മനോഹരമായിട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവരിക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വലിയ ചലഞ്ചായിരുന്നു. ആ ചലഞ്ചിനെ ഏറ്റവും ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് ജിത്തു, ഇതൊരു ഇന്റലിജന്റ് ഫിലിം എന്നാണ് കണ്ട ആൾക്കാർ. ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധി ഉപയോഗിച്ച ഒരു സിനിമ. ജോർജ് കുട്ടി സാധാരണ മനുഷ്യനാണ്. പക്ഷെ അതാണ് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞത്. ജോർജ് കുട്ടി, ഞാൻ ഇത്രയും 340 സിനിമ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിലും അതിലെ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് എനിക്കൊരു ധാരണ. പക്ഷെ ജോർജ് കുട്ടി, ദൃശ്യത്തിലെ ജോർജ് കുട്ടിയെ കുറിച്ച് എനിക്കൊന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല ആസ് എ പേഴ്സൺ, ആസ് എൻ ആക്ടർ. കാര്യം അയാളുടെ മനസ്സിലൂടെ എന്താണ് പോകുന്നത് ഈ സിനിമ കാണുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറച്ച് കൂടുതൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. കാര്യം ജോർജ് കുട്ടിയുടെ ഒരു എമോഷനും അയാൾക്ക് കാണിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അയാൾ ഭയങ്കര ഒരു സപ്രസ്ഡാണ്. അകത്ത് ഒരു എന്താണ് പാറ പോലെ ഉറച്ചു നിൽക്കുകയും പുറത്തൊരു മയിൽപ്പീലിയാകുകയും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പുറത്ത് ഒരു പാറ പോലെ ഉറച്ചു നിൽക്കുകയും അകത്ത് മയിൽപ്പീലിയാകുക എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന ഒരു ധർമ്മമുണ്ട്. കാര്യം എന്റെ മനസ്സിലുള്ള എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ അല്ല ജോർജ് കുട്ടി വെളിയെ കാണിക്കുന്നത്. കാര്യം അയാൾക്ക് ഒരു തരത്തിലും പിടികൊടുക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. അയാൾക്ക് അയാളുടെ ഫാമിലിയെ സേവ് ചെയ്യണം. അത് അയാളുടെ ഫാമിലിയെ സേവ് ചെയ്യുമോ, അയാൾ സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ആയി മാറുമോ എന്നൊക്കെ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ നിങ്ങൾ സിനിമ കണ്ടിട്ട് തീരുമാനിക്കും. നല്ല സിനിമയായിരിക്കും എന്നാണ് എന്റെ പ്രതീക്ഷ.
Thank you, sir. And what you said, of course, resonated. I'll tell you, when he said George Kutti Sadara Manushalle, which means he's not an ordinary man. Let's keep that in mind. And Drishyam 2, Sadara Param or film illa. So I hope I've said it correctly. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic press meet this has been. It has been such a pleasure and one of my personal memorable moments of my life, sharing screen space with all of you wonderful creators. Thank you so much for joining us. And just for my friends from the media, don't forget to download the press kit on the way out. And of course, don't forget Drishyam 2 streaming exclusively on Amazon Prime Video on the 19th of February, 2021. This is me, your host, Rohini, signing off. Stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.